Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how you can record the screen on this phone. Now to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you locate it, you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings right here, so you can customize them a little bit to your liking, though they're already honestly set pretty well. Video quality is already set to the highest one, so that's primarily the only thing that I would normally recommend changing, but it's highest, so that's what I would keep it on. And additional settings outside of that will appear when you're trying to start recording. It asks you what kind of sound you want to record, and also if you want to record the taps and touches on the screen. From there, select Start Recording. You can skip the countdown right here, and this will immediately start recording. So from here we can pause, stop, add the selfie camera. There we go. And we can also draw on our screen. So there we go. Now once you finish your screen recording, you can find it in your gallery application. It's going to be visible in just the pictures right here, between like every photo and screenshots and all that stuff, or you can navigate into albums where it will create a screen recording album which will contain only screen recordings, and from here we can view it. So there we go, that is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.